Hey guys, Adam Sam Radio. Well, we got the shipping label to the ham radio outlet. So this is going to go out Monday. Look at, I just had to redo the box. Look at this. A lot of tape, and took a lot of tape to fix this thing. It is just jacked up. But that's it. So just want to let you guys know we got this thing all squared away. What a shame. I was looking forward to putting this thing up the day I got it, and evidently I can't put it up, so it's banged up, and I'm not fixing it. And then I break it, then they'll say I can't do nothing with it if I tried fixing it. So it's better off doing what I just did. So. And I got some coax here. I got more. I got all the antennas outside done. And here's, what do you know? My collection of tubes over here. I have quite a bit of them in here. I still got more in boxes. But anyways, so that's it right here. Hey, look at the box. How bent that thing was. It was all crushed right into here. And even crushed this label, this warning label, and make sure your things are all packed up or whatever. Look at that, unreal. I had to reinforce it with more tape. Look at that bend in there. I'm documenting this in case if they turn around and say, oh, well, we haven't received your package or that return. Well, guess what? It's right here. I got it right here. Got it. Says it right there. That's where it was from. So I figured I'd do this as a documentary on this. Why is my camera getting all funky? Oh, there it is. I'm still learning on this new phone. This is like 2.0, 5.0 for me. So it's all pretty much all new. But yeah, here's the back of it. It's not as bad. It looks brand new on this side. But once you get around, see how I'm saying how bent? Yeah, well, that's the scoop of that, guys. But anyways, just thought I'd let you all know what's going on. We're still here. We're still living and kicking. I just got to come up with some ideas to do. Maybe get another antenna. Maybe we'll put one together or something like that. I wanted to do it with this one, but I found out the day I opened it, I didn't realize it was all damaged until I really looked in there. I took one tube out. I'm like, oh man, what is this? Great. So, yeah, so we got it right here. So it's going to go out tomorrow, Monday. I got to get a ride over to get to the UPS place or whatever to take this package, because I can't go on a motorbike or a motorcycle, drive this in my hand. It's impossible. It's freaking about, let's see, I'm 6'3". And let's see, okay, about that's about 6'4", about 6'4" foot. But anyways, guys, 73s. I figured I'd give you an update on this this nightmare right here. This situation. This bogus should have never happened. Spent $272. Yes, you heard it right. $272 for this. You know, and they're gonna put my money back in my account, and I'm going somewhere else to shop for another antenna. That's it. This is all over with. 73 guys. Yeah. Happy Easter, everybody, and hope everybody has a good Easter and all that sorts of stuff. 73.